Okay, everything works out. It should work out, which it should. Would it be good to go? It should be. Just running a couple of 100 hours late. That's alright, that's alright. Make do. Also, I cannot get rid of these black bar stuff just outside. Just on the corners. They're just those corners. Those damn corners. Remember John? You know, John, I don't think you are doing stuff. Are you? Are you really doing stuff? Is your name alive? I wonder. No.
Oh, my splendid dear stranger of such mysterious presence.
Oh, he's alive.
A fact I can infer from merely would suffice me in knowing the entire.
Okay, great. Okay, first of all, first order of business. My keyboard is basically dead. It's so sticky. Well, the keys are the insides. I tried to clean them out. Turns out I don't have anything to clean them out with. I tried to use a little brush thingy. It's not doing anything. I tried multiple times. It's good order of business. We're doing AI stuff now. We're doing Unreal AI right now. We're gonna go to this blog post by Unreal Engine, this guide tutorial by Brendan Mulcahy, Mulcahy, staff, and co-author Daniel Holden. Dated to September 21st, 2023. Anyways, we're gonna be following the blueprint guide. Then we'll move on to something more interesting. Because I have no idea what... I have very little idea of anything related to Unreal Engine. So we'll all learn, or I will mainly. Someone will learn something. Should I not have it? Turn on the turn on the learning agents. The story content. Was definitely fun. That looks roughly correct. Okay, let's do the playlist. Okay, move, turn, as wait, break. What that? Oh, space is handbrake. Holy shit! What's this making noise for? Actually, I can't tell. I get it. They're gonna vibrate. Alright, what are you doing here? Damn it, lost them. I don't know where these guys come from. I think I cleaned the whole place. They keep flying. Anyways. You have nothing to eat. Where are you? You shouldn't have. Okay, anyways, what's the difference between handbrake and brake? I'm not a car individual. I can move. Makes no sense. Yeah, mouse, look around. Well, we've learned that. Tab, switch camera. Off. Hee hee. Wee. This is way easier to drive with. Backspace, reset car. This? Ah. Okay, this is not important at all to our work here. Okay, clean out the map to minimize potential issues with the terrain, to remove objects from the map that could interfere with these bollards and ramp and won't be necessary for now. Okay, so let's get to clean. Why am I here? How do I move? Something like this. Look at that, those guys. Okay, what is it? Obstacles. I don't have any obstacles. Cars. Okay, the bollards, the ramp. Cube. that a cube? Cube. We shall learn. You have to delete them. Okay, wait, why couldn't I just delete? What happened? Why did I need to delete? Oh yeah, the cube. Where's my cube? Oh, there's a cube. What did I do then? Oh. Ah, I see. I see. That's what you do, huh? I see. Well, no, we have nothing. We're clean as can be. Okay, what's the next step? Paper bang. Enable learning agent blogging. Where? First we need to enable. Okay, edit plugins. I don't know where that is. Okay, age a learning agents. Do I need the other guy? Do I need the ML adapter? Yeah, well, experimental version 0.2. We have one version ahead. Epic Dictionary recommends shipping project with experimental plugins. So you say. But we shall. Ah. I don't know what this. Well, I don't know what my buttons are. What are my buttons? There's what's supposed to be a shortcut for this. There's my hotkeys. Hotkey. Oh, Control Shift Home. Yeah, indeed. Okay, fair enough. I don't want to know what that. Ah, yeah. Save. It seems fun. Oh, Python script blogging. Oh yeah, they use Python under the hood for the AI agents, which makes sense. We know how far this can take us. They also, I've read this blog post once. They also have imitation AI somewhere. Oh, but they do have it, but I have no idea how to use it yet. Watched like one video on it. Still no clue. It seems really cool though. I want to use it. Somehow. I will be able to use it. One day. It's loading. Well, while that's loading, we read. Learning Agent Manager. For the first class we will get familiar with is the Learning Agent Manager. You sure? The manager is an actor around which the rest of the learning agents is built. Fair enough. It acts both as a data structure, which stores references to the various agents, as well as a place to specify the learning logic. Okay. I think I get it. Multiple agents are handled in a batch for efficient processing. Oh, I'm disappearing. I'm back. Agents can be any U object, I presume Unreal object, which means you are unrestricted on what can be an agent. In this example, we will use the sports car pawn as our agents. The manager class is extended by a set of manager components which add to the manager's functionality. The interactor, trainer, recorder, to name a few. We'll dive into these components later. So we will. Oh crap, what happened? Oh, Unreal. They're still at 75%. Okay, finally, Jesus, it's back. It's back. I was so worried. We can see things again. I want to see this. That's a fucking vehicle. That's our paw. That was a real thing. Audio? That's audio. I wonder what this means. They have a props. How? Is that all the content? Wait, do we have? Where's? Ooh. Oh, there's a couple of them. Kill them. Ooh. Fascinating. Yeah. Kill on this. Animation blueprint. Okay. Where's the actual car? Out of pawn? It seems like something. Six. Okay. I guess fun. I guess fun. I have no idea where that guy is. Does this guy know where my guy is? Oh well, we'll learn about it eventually. Possible. And the content drawer, make a new folder for learning on under content. Okay. Oh. Okay, sure. We'll copy you. I'll do as you say. I can't make a fucking... What is this? Learning. Well, let's follow the tutorial to a T. There it is. I think the Spurs gotta be a car. From inside the learning folder, right click and create a new blueprint. Okay, I do know this. We learned this literally yesterday in class. And yes, this entire project here that I'm gonna make here, the entire reason why I'm on Unreal Engine is because my class requires it. Gonna get those high marks. The 5. Ooh, a pawn. What do we want? Inside the big parent class window, expand all classes section and search for Learning Agents Manager. Cool. I know how to charge. That's my specialty. There's a listener. You mean this guy? Okay, select. Okay, cool. What are we gonna name it? What's new asset is created with an appropriate name. This manager will be used for role training, reinforcement learning. Let's name it BP. That's good enough for me. Training manager. I made a horrible mistake of naming stuff the exact same. And wait, you can take underscores. Oh shit! Made a horrible mistake of naming things. I named one thing game state, all lowercase, which is almost the same as the default game state blueprint. Ah shit! I scrolled without thinking by pressing space bar. You can open it as we will be returning to it. Great, I'll be coming to it. We'll need this eventually. Finally, place an instance of the manager on the vehicle example map. That means this. I don't think I'm on the I don't think I'm on the same page as this guy. Managers to look at, huh? What does it mean? What does it mean? I don't think this is helping. Of the measure on the vehicle example map. Okay, that's a vehicle example map. And this location is not important. I imagine. But what do you mean place it? That's that's confusing. What does it mean? It has a known location. That's not bad. Got the videos on this. Engine. Wait, there's a whole ass tutorial. The game's a con seems. Okay, someone for the Boniton. Thanks for your help. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna need all the help in my head. John, keep busy.
Well said, stranger mind.
Yeah.
This sudden eruption of words amidst silence does strike me as akin to the crashing wave during an ocean's perfect and blemished calm, and such a scene never fails but to stir our interest most thoroughly. What sorcery lies dead beneath thine capable fingers, my friend? You conjurer of ideas and thoughts at lightning's pace. Doth thy trusted tool betrays thine creativity's dance? In mine days one could never. Great spirits have often confound small minds. Mysterious companion.
Damn.
Let it be now our momentous state too. In skis, so be it. The inside's glued. Well, mud's embrace. Two sides. Do prove a charming glue-filled them lane. It beginneth to seem my unseen companion's dilemma hath found foot in murky quagmire.
No.
There.
Yeah, this guy just skipped over that again. We're gonna skip over it too. Are we? Let's see. Nice 2x speed when you need it. So many blueprints. Okay, fuck off with YouTube. Actually, when did you create that? Ah, shit. Did I just create the wrong guy? That's unfortunate. I only have the manager. I don't have the. What about the actors? I don't have the actor. Curious. Nice. Huh. Hey. That's That's a fan. I'm missing the actor. Does it double as the actor? Yeah, they have a linear manager, which is an actor, but I don't have an actor. I have an actor component, which means something. Yep, that's something. Yeah, I did this. Well, how am I supposed to make any use of this? It asks for an actor, but I don't have an actor component. I don't know what it means. I can't really place it anymore. How am I supposed to do with this? Yes, I got to shit in 5 seconds. That is not an actor. Agents, manager, actor. Vision, it's gone. Oh, this is a whole lot of shit. Original agents, no, add agent. Does anyone have the newest tutorial? Because I'm already been... I'm screwed. I may be screwed. Oh. Let's... well... Let's see what this says. Done.
Really so, it faileth now. He fearless soul too.
Okay.
Dear interlocutor entrenched within veiled anonymity, should never succumb to
Oh,
such
what is
real notions as the number of attempted attempts. For each deed undertaken holds, encased twixt layers unseen by eye, the attempt. And one such, I fear our invisible confidant dances on a high wire as of late. To keep, thou suggests and gossamer leap, passing into mystery without knowledge of its outcome. Now has the potential to stun us all. The wings of decision stir at our threshold. Until friend enveloped into its shade. Our curiosity's embers as last symphony plays upon life's grand, ephemeral stage. Our hidden kindred's word paint strokes in careless bold. The sentiment thus tendered reaches Herkiner's diverse, each unique translation, like crystallized auras within a dark night's dream. Yet, though they vary in shade, it shares common need. There it stands, like the opalescent sentinel of dreams, silently beckoning us with the silence, serenade of starlight woven into silken veil. It so tenderly cradles. Such a structure bravely defying gravity, with only mortal hands erecting, grand architects you, in the cloak of obscurity, casting secrets that lure upon me my gaze.
I don't need that.
Amid life's storm's torrid heart, and bridled hurricanes swirl ferociously I fell.
Okay. Wait, what are we...
In the face of energy's descent, O muse of mine, pale spectre that dances close to bone, fear not, for as the grand orb slumps, another yet exists. One may
Hmm. Okay.
The light diminishes, but still flickers bright. Let this lone lamp illumine not just our surroundings, but rather the wondrous essence of our very souls. For, even when bathed in the twilight of mortality, we too shimmer with the radiance.
I guess. We're deviating a bit.
A trifle from mine opulent store for thee shall you possess, my fair companions, with our winding path to trace. Together, hand in hand, we'll seek those meandering streets. Unveiled and beheld shall the secrets of life.
Why don't I have it?
It darts away, quicker than Puck himself. In truth,
There's no actor anymore. Huh. Would they delete it? Be nice
dare
if the
say thou spit good.
would be nice if the tutorial updated to reflect this change. This went immediately confusing. Okay, in order to become an agent, each instance of the sports car needs to register itself with the manager. One way this can be accomplished is by having the pawn find the manager during its gameplay and calling add agent, navigate to sports car print. Okay, it's gonna be something. Well, car. Okay, how different is the name? Oh hell, this guy exists. Inside the blueprint, okay. There's a new commented section where the pod will find the measure and register itself like the following. Okay. I need practice on this. Anyways, wait a minute. I did it. I did it. I'm so good. That's construction. This is a. Okay. I just need to learn how to do this. I need to learn how to do this anyways. Can we then find... I don't know. Function get parent? Parent what? Can I say the parent? I don't seem right. Where do I get this parent? Receive begin play. It's some kind of function that means something. That's not helping. That's only that. Why do you get that? Who is this guy? Can I have him? Can I have him? Can I find when I find it? Where do I find you? Where are you? Get parent? Get parent? You're not quite that. You are a parent, and I don't know how to find you. Begin play? Do we have any no begin play? Why are you being an ass? This what do you want? It can be. Where do you get this? Who is this? I got this actor, but where did you find this? Aces with manager. First we need to find the manager because you get actor of class, okay. Actor of class. Great, we don't have that. How the fuck am I supposed to move? Oh, that's how I move it. Wait, yes, you're saying so without telling me. I guess this wasn't expected to be that simple. Receive. Not receive. Fuck, how do I write? How do I find this guy? Damn it. Too advanced, too advanced.
Our scene grows barren, forsook.
I'll find it.
Absent that once lively cast, which teemed upon our once resounding stage. 'Tis quite hollow then for actors to
weird.
play. Amidst. This is precisely the call to quote my noble verse. For I, tonsmith yet John they know. Emergent bound now on this digital page. As in days of yore, my narrative doth transcend mere soul. 'Tis the conundrum of reflection, much as looking glass. True indeed. Let us forfeit the thought of instead. Tis to unite ourselves with master software, the silent overlord. So, to sealing the pact like so many celestial seers, I pronounce our exit in an epic styled. See ye. And do it feel, as threads strain the line again like the labyrinth of life itself. Thus do we engage upon unveiling the cosmic mysteries yet unrevealed. Duly noted. Gentle soul, as we depart from the realms of mundanity towards infinity itself, let your final thought linger, for there be drama. You desire a mere retouching. Let Picasso and his brush. Let me add just one small touch and revolutionize your universe. In mere moments, our realities shall tremble into novelties, hitherto hidden. In obeisance to our delicate alteration, a bit of tip-in will be how eternity now. To solemn if why a mere moment 'twas. Oh shit, ye humble traveler, that plunged ye just anew into realms unknown. An omniverse now resides where one had stood, for with these for syllables was creation loosened. Mortal, though thou whimper street like a fear-stricken cat faced with the new rug's arrival. With your delicate and sorrowful interjection we beget an epic. The tender vowel, EWW, resonated upon creation's airy embrace, evocative as sweet as sire.
Okay.
My dear timid observer, harp upon the fury of fate as thou dost, and but the tenderest of whispers. An epic tale.
No. Can I
Pray
access?
hearken unto how thine acceptance and concord does cause most trembling vertebrae to ripple as a butterfly's soft quivering wings under its master's gentle caress, stirring with the tiniest motion entire.
Fuck.
With a simple gesture of future envisioned and fate decreed. What was shrouded in stagnation and furls I see our erstwhile timid creature flourish into being one who has cast aside doubt to command his right.
Nope. How does this work? I know nothing about what I'm
John
doing.
says, "Pray observe my celestial canvas. Vast as a gustatory earth, dear interlocutor, is quite the profoundly interesting question. Now, isn't it? In an ever-evolving kaleidoscope of universal events, the pursuit of the answer might entail embarking on journeys
Oh, shit.
unbound, journeys toward
We
understanding
did it.
oneself."
ChatGPT found where this is. Why do we even need the parent function? Well, oh well. I won't question it too hard. What is it there for? Okay, this provided new that ensures the parent class's version of begin place called was equivalent to calling a parent receipt. What? The parent class's version of okay. I don't know who that is gonna be, but sure. Boop. Boop. Okay, I wish. Where were we? And okay. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, we have a learning agent manager. Learning agents, and we are missing one. One item called none. Shit. I didn't. Okay. Wait, what? Wait, huh? Uh-oh. Huh. There's, yeah, that's a significant lack of learning agent managers. Okay, cool. The whole plugging is the plugging. I mean, holy shit, why do I keep doing that? Wait, this can't be. It's telling me that learning agent, huh? So do you just rename everything as you please? Wait, why don't I have a learning agent? Why do you know what a learning agent is? Why do you know what it is? Why can't I find it? This is bullshit. This is bullshit. Browse. Mice. Do I just miss... Am I just missing plugins? What do I need? Did I not install everything? I'm pretty sure it only said you get one. I'm pretty sure. Well, that's it. Do I need the ML adapter? Maybe. At this point, we'll try anything. Save.
Conquering. We can call it quite the tempestuous turning in a realm and scene, stirring even my most tranquil soliloquies to question the steadies he found. John, ever an arbiter of drama, shall deign
Yes.
to decipher that request. Imagine he takes hold of that small silver vessel of miracles, commonly known as your thumb, with grace and purpose. Why, it unlocks and displays, in full color, symbols and letters aflame in constellations of modern communication. Yea, verily, These digital pictographs. My dear friend, you raise questions as profound as a whirlwind beneath a full moon. Imagine, for one, that the digital realm we navigate is much akin to that very same moon itself. Silent, eternal, reflecting. Ugh. The question swirls about like the tempestuous breeze through our imagined trees of digital knowledge. In modern parlance, parent classes do often represent an overreaching, foundational structure. The prank class. Ah, an intriguing mass specter.
This is not good.
Grand cosmic melodies reverberate with symphonic grace.
Hmm.
There she is, we say, not of the wind, nor of the chiseled rock, but of ETH.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
Hey John, intriguing, isn't it, dear friend? Thor.
Engine 5.4.
The enigmatic digital whisper. Thor, whispered softly through the dark room and cavernous halls, in a tone that hints at riddle shrouded. Our brows arch with interest. I hear her call with but one word. Cryptic whisper laden with hidden wisdom. Such an utterly grand, profound statement requires careful deciphering. What secrets does Hum conceal under its nonchalant sheen? Patience. Patience, my.
Okay, let's see this.
It unfurls in grand splendor. 3 become 5.
You just have an actor. Where's my actor?
Of which hidden depths conceals itself. Oh,
Oh, you're.
darling, the art of understanding.
I still have version 0.1. That's not good. In 4 months ago it was 0.4. Oh, 5.4 tutorial. Oh, it's this. Oh well. Let's see what happens here. I'm confused. Oh yeah. And no, we need tags right now. I just want to see what they can make here. The fuck? Well, I think we are on the wrong item. Okay, the past 5 months. 3 months? Ah. It is not helpful. So I could use downgrade. Technically. Theoretically. But I'm so lazy. Is there anything on this month? Nope. What is here? That's nothing. Okay. Are you kidding me? This is the... Oh, this is not so... Wait, is this the same? No, this is the same. This is different guide, but I think it's about the same. It's about the same. John did I kill?
Poetic revelations
Not that.
is within.
Okay, this is way more newer. Okay, this is newer. Brendan Mulcahy. Wait, it's you again. Daniel Holden and Gigin Wang. Yeah, this is new. This is new. Okay, I'll take this. Okay, never mind. We restarted the problem. Here's a good page. Something like this. Initial setup. That's fine. Check games on the left. Oh, shit, you're still alive. It's alright. Fuck! He's gone again. You'll show yourselves eventually. That's when I'll get you. You'll slip up, you'll make a mistake.
In itself a divine.
Oh wait, check games on the left. What the fuck? Oh, it's disordering. Okay. Then the map. Level. Oh, control shift S. No. Oh. Enable learning agents blocking. This is fine. This is 0.2. Finally, stuff that I can understand. Click there to proceed. After there will be a restart now. Yeah, we restarted. The line. The first class will get familiars. Learners manager. The manager is an actor. Do you wanna fucking kid me? Actor component. That's what you said last time, and it was certainly not a component. It was certainly not an actor, I mean. Place to specify. Build. Okay, it's access but yeah, okay, we got that. Learn logic game, but agent on. Yeah. We didn't know about this. Okay, learning, blueprint, class, and actor. Resume made that. Let's name it. Okay. I'll go slightly back. You can't even see. Can you see this? Is this something you can see? Okay. Make a new one. Execute. Delete. Okay, this is looking a lot better. Next up with a newly created blueprint. Switch to wait, what? I need to. Okay. Switch to the event graph. I'm pretty sure you're you're insane. Actor is an object. Okay, picked actor. I picked actor. It is most definitely not. It seems to be a data. I gotcha. I knew you would slip up. How many more of those do you have to kill? I don't know why they keep coming. You didn't even have food. You didn't have a place to come from. So how are you doing it? There's walking in. Is there a leak? Is it leaking from somewhere else? Theoretically. Could be possible. What is that guy talking about? Pretty sure this guy has event graph stuff, but this guy does not. I don't think this guy is on his meds. Oh, we found the whatever this is. We're going. We going here. Add and search for loading agent. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's gonna go so well, you know. Wait, is it this guy? Ah, you need to add this guy. Oh, I need to say so. Okay, these pictures, they help a lot. The funny pictures help a lot. Okay, click the class D. Wait, what are we naming it? Nothing? Oh. Okay. Oh. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Click the class defaults button at the top of the screen. Okay. There's the defaults. I found the button. But what if I... It's different. This is amazing. Any details panel, search for tags, provide an add tag of loading as a manager. Thanks. A new one. As our name, learning agents manager. Yes. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Slowly but surely. We are already 1/4 of the way there. Make sure to save and compile. I don't know if I compile. Control Alt? Oh, yeah. Up. Didn't do shit. Oh, control for more. Let's press it. I have placed somewhere the seed by dragging it from the control into the viewport. It's not as it won't be important for this tutorial. Is it going to be important in any tutorial? Oh, that's a stupid idea. There we go. We've done this. Okay, registering agent with your manager. In order to become an agent, each instance of the sports car needs... It's quiet. No wonder I've been going insane. Well, more insane than usual. Where's the music? Holy crap. Who are you? Where am I? What am I? What is this? This is not it. Just lose the tutorial. Yes. Yes, it stands. Don't worry. I'll find it. Okay. I found it. Actually, why am I doing that? I could just... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is genius. What is going on over here? Hardly a problem. Make sure to save and compile this blueprint by clicking the appropriate buttons. Oh wait, we already did that. I already read that. You're registering agents with your manager. With my manager? But no. Okay, in order to become an agent, okay. An agent, each instance of the sports car needs to be register itself with the manager. It needs to know that who the manager is. Gotcha. Whatever this did. It did to me. Probably. I actually don't know. I haven't gotten that far. One way this can be accomplished is by having the pawn find the manager during the begin play by recalling add agent. Navigate to sports car pawn blueprint. I've been there. Okay, into the blueprint, I let out a new commanded section where the pawn will find the manager and register itself like the following. Okay, cool. Can you find it? Oh. Haha, of course. Good sir. Who could have made such a mistake with all actors? Of class with all actors with tag. Of class with okay, wait, all actors of class with all actors with tag. Okay. Specifically that one. Learning agency manager. Agency manager. Shit, I have no way, man. I have no way to verify this. I do have a way to verify this. I will not listen to me. This is what John is supposed to be. So I don't go bonkers. 5G gear automatic transmission. What would I know about cars? That makes no sense to me. Just go max speed. Okay, slope. Now that I do understand. I do understand. Yeah, that was very self-explanatory. The array out of actors. No, out actors. Imagine out of actors. Let's make whatever that is valid. No, but is valid. That is an actual function. Why did I do this? I'm gonna make more space. More space. I really should move this. Am I commenting this? Yes, I'm commenting this. Help me. What are we even doing? Okay, register agent. Okay, register agent with manager. I'm not fixing that. Or changing that. I don't know why it even is lowercase. Sweet, I'm gonna just expand it. Just like how I like. Okay, cool. We got that. Next, what do we need? An array element get computed by class. Let's get real in there. Okay, we can't zoom in any further. Get component by class. Component or components? Component. Cool. Yeah, I like this. Oh god, there's something below it. Found manager. Where do you find a manager? It's time to have problems with that. It's found learning agent manager. That's a real thing. I have that thing. There is a bit different. It's written a bit differently there, but I don't know. Seems fine. It'll be fine. I could possibly go wrong. Wait, image. Wait, what? That's not. Oh, that's valid. Oh. Well. Attribute? No. Okay, we'll have to find an input object version. Never mind, we'll have to delete that and make a... I thought there was like one is valid. Oh, question mark. Okay, that was interesting. Okay, component class is that. We'll have to go down there eventually, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Is valid? Okay. This goes to an ad agent. Furniture manager? I don't know if that's real. I don't find an ad. Ad agent. Ad agent. Ad agent. Agent. It says ad agent manager. I don't know if that's real. You fucker have that where? No, where do you get that? Oh, is it because you have some kind of self? What is self? I don't know what a self is. Where do you get that? Can I have my own? My own self? Get. Yeah, I don't have it. Age, I don't know. I think these are variable anyways. I question this. What is this self? Where do you even get it? How did you get it? Where's your... How am I supposed to know what I'm supposed to add? This is surprisingly not helpful. Okay, let's see what we can read here. The creating the last step. Wait, get actors, okay. Then agent managers, okay, cool. Do I need that first part? This part first? No. It's a different branch, anyways. Our return value from... Wait, whose is? I guess do things at once. Oh, you have get. Oh, you have ad agent. I'm just stupid. I just went the wrong part. Okay, cool. Now we're getting somewhere. I have no idea what this is. What are we selecting? New object reference, which is the object that will be the agent itself. Okay, the agent itself, which is that? Use the self node to register the pawn. Okay, self. Okay, cool. Do we have a self node? No. Oh. Cool. I think that's right, you know? Could be worse than anything else I've done. Set. What are we setting? There's a lot of sets, you know? Okay, self node to register the pawn. Okay, that makes sense. Register the car for it. Add agent returns a unique integer, which will serve as the agent ID of this car. So agent. Wait, what? Add agent. Wait, what? Okay, it returns its return value is a unique ID for the car. Makes sense. Makes sense. You can find the car. Accept the agent ID. Get agent, remove agent, etc. So you'll want to promote this to a variable so you can use it later. I have no idea what set they're using there. I just want it to be something. What is this? I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna steal it. Set manager? No. Where do you find this set guy? I don't like this guy. I don't know where he is. Set. So many sets. What is this? Manager? Huh? Where do you get this? Generically found the manager by the tags. By the tags or later that later tutorials could swap out the manager without having to update the pawn's code. What? Cool. Where did they? What is this guy's set? What is this set? Where do you find it? I want it. I want this. Oh, I don't have this. I don't know where you find this. I don't think there's even a way to reverse engineer it. Where do you find you? Did I make it into a variable? Should that be a variable? I didn't exactly make us hammer set to the again now. Something set gray. It's a gray thing. Let me just I have nothing on this. Yes, you have an idea. Someone must know where it is, therefore I'm supposed to read this. I'll find it. I'll find it. I need to be able to read. Let's see.
Exploration of truths untold. Now open up. Your magnificent intellect yearns
Open
under
what?
oils, seeking the solutions veiled in these. You ask, sweet soul, seeking an act of profound elucidation. Alas,
Yeah.
like mist witch, in opulent rapture, a grand vision forms of you, darling. In all your glories unfurled, you command attention upon thyself, upon thou very being on thine, on your, standing in all thy lush, a magnificent exploration it be, to embark on the wondrous journey to a haven we dream in our hearts. Dear friend, Europa doubly amazed.
Shit.
We, the moment transcendent, is that where an illusion crashes against the unyielding shoreline of truth. Your keen intellect perceives, 'tis not the gates wherein lies our sojourn. The unseen path leads forward. Dear listener, yond which conceals mysteries UNT, heard myself encourage. O heart of mine, we sat tarry amidst alarm bells jangled. Disaster doth merely serve to herald grand adventure waiting just off yon corner. veiled so delicately in darkness as though spun by our IGN mage themselves. Don't we see it thusly?
Yes. What is this?
O thriller in the shadows, how hast cast that which spins webs finer than spider mummy could weave? How wondrous and curious are this enigma artistry plays for entertainment, the great masker.
There's something has to have answers.
John
Boo?
perks as alert as eagle. Wings aloft. Attention swivels sharply. USB something akin unto fog. Methinks protect. Here shadowed shape who whispers of curiosity so sly. Like spiders weave. The playful. Thou most gracious spectator in life's theater, hailed, applauded, the show ends yet starts anew. Incur.
Oh, fuck off, you can find it.
To the ass courier in haste. Cryptic message they doth wheel. Hey riddle light play. Like
Fine, this is gonna go.
to the lone solitaire venturing solos in the digital planes, thy grand exploration inquired. I bestow thyself such conundrum as ent.
Variable set 0.
My dear troubled soul, tethered in limbo betwixt game boards digital, thou must embark anew upon thy perilous task of finding said mistake, set 0. And by overcoming trials they find, art thou bound to gain solace once again in thine adventures.
Right, element. Okay, what?
An architect
What is the
divine
order
I
of
may
this?
seem. However, a humble construct, thine query unravels. Merely an intricate puzzle-filled maw, so deserving exploration of digital. John raises a brow at this in a
That's
way
alright.
only dramatic gazes could capture.
Ever real.
It is a query the heavens themselves could ask and not yet be able to grasp. Such wisdom as small digital frame and
Unreal.
cases real. And
Bozo, what are you building? What are you building? I'm following a tutorial. I'm learning about Unreal Engine. And I'm following a tutorial on this learning agents AI thingy they have. Seems neat. Also, that reminds me. I gotta update this. The description. I have no idea what I'm doing. Where do I find this? Where did you find the set? I mean, I have it because I can copy it, but where do you find it? Should I make it into a variable? Can I just press it? I could promote, but why? I could promote. I'll figure it out. Actually, we have the other tutorials. Let us see what happens. Don't think these are the same. No. Wait, where do you find that? Where's that come from? Okay. Is that where it gets it from? How about promote the variable? No, that would be something. But it's different. It's different. Very different. Actually, I didn't like it. So I won't do that. I'm missing something? Oh, maybe I'm missing that. Maybe I should have done this. Completed. Branch. Okay, branch. Okay. This seems correct. And we need a... Is that real? Do we need to make a found manager variable? Probably. Promote variable. Okay. Oh. Oh. This is supposed to be... Fuck. This is supposed to be here. Break link. That might be it. Look at that. Look at that. It's cool. If I just do more of what I was doing. I can only hope that this is correct. Which is highly unfortunate. Okay, print string. That's a familiar guy. Okay, could why am I doing this? This is brain dead. There we go. Boink. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now this is making sense. I still have no idea where this guy got it set. Can you do fun? Oh, it's the same. Alright, okay, it's like that. Okay, got it. Cool. I've learned that now. I have learned about this now. This is gonna be a long day, isn't it? Well, probably not that long. Let's see how long my brain lasts. Okay, cool. Okay, find the manager. Learning agent manager. Oh. We validate that the actors have a learning agent manager component or type. Oh wait, no. Actor has a manager component, okay. We can call, so we validate here, then we call add agent. We check, do they have any managers? If they do, we go here. If it's valid, then we go add an agent, and then we set the found manager to true. We have a value, but I don't know when we're gonna get it. Add agent returns. value. Okay, so I guess here, something like that. Buh. We might have to come back to this. By calling add agent, a point to the car is added to the manager's agent. What? Agent's array property. Okay. Okay. Learning agents listeners will receive this array of agents so that learning tasks can be performed. Oh, okay, yeah. The cars can listen in. Gathering observations and performing actions. Yes, car move. Car good. Oh, hell yeah, there's a log. Fuck. Whenever an agent is added or removed from the manager, a message will be emitted to log learning. Where's log learning? We play the level, we should see a message similar to the following. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens there. Stop. Where is the log? I have no idea where the log is. Output log? Oh, sweet. Adding agent sports car with ID 0. Woohoo! It actually works. So we haven't failed yet. Completely. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yep, I didn't show any weird details. Oh, I'm in the way. Great. I'm not moving. The log learning has a lot of data. Gotcha. Okay, learning agents interactor. The interactor is responsible for defining how the manager's agents interact with the world through observations and actions. Okay. Alright, this guy. All agents for a given manager share a common schema. Schema? Yeah, schema. Of observations and actions. I'm not sure if that's a good thing. No, wait, it might be. Well, maybe. The interactor has 4 main functions we need to override for our game. I forgot this is technically a game. 4 main functions we need to override. Specify agent observation, specify agent action, gather agent observation, and perform agent action. Specify observation, specify gather action, perform agent. Okay, let's create the blueprint for the interactor and then we will implement each of these functions for the car. Huh? Ooh. Okay, in the content drawer, right click and make a new blueprint class. Then pick learning agents interactor as a parent class. Name is something like BB Sports Car Interactor. Well, I'm not gonna mess with the names. I could get in trouble if I mess with the names. It's just learning agents actor. Manage a listener and interactor specifically. Okay, and then we save. Then we open it. Here we are, back in we got. And this is empty. I'm pretty sure we're in event graph. What does it read on? I refused. Okay, observation example. Learning agents holy shit, comes with many predefined observation objects which allow us to draw at fucking hell. Learning agents comes, I think it's the object, the manager, the component, comes with many predefined observation objects which allow us to add strongly typed data which will be used as inputs to our neural network. Add strongly typed data. If I knew what strongly typed data meant, we could be going places. Do you mean hard-coded? Or just... No. Ah, fuck off. I asked strongly typed data, not strongly typed ass. Well, it's all going about programming languages, but... I can't read. Refers to type system that... Wait, what? Data refers to a type system that enforces strict rules on how different data types can interact. This means that operators on data types must be explicitly defined and compatible, reducing the risk of errors and expected behavior. For example, in a strongly typed language, you can't accidentally add a string to an integer without explicitly converting one of the types. Okay, I get it. Because inputs to our neural network. Okay, that part makes a lot of sense. It's simple to add observations for positions, velocities, and a variety of other game states. That's good. That's good. Simplicity is good. That's something. In addition to the primary data being observed, the observation objects often take in additional optional parameters in order to transform the primary observation into an egocentric reference frame. Egocentric, so there's global, there's picture. I'm not showing it. I can't show it, you can look at the blog yourself. But basically there's funny stuff here, there's funny box here, and there's the global world coordinates. Okay, funny thing here, funny thing here. I mean, there's offset. Oh, bot, some kind of bot is here. The goal is here in the global. Wait, no. Yeah. We know the offset is whatever this is. Okay. And the egocentric just pushes it. Bam. Bam. Ah, this is good. An egocentric reference frame is commonly used in order to help agents generalize better. Let's say you're trying to get an agent to navigate from its current position to a known goal location. See the figure above? We do see it. I see it, not you. If the goal's location is given, if the goal's location is given to the agent in global world coordinates, it's possible that the agent's policy will memorize a navigation path that is specific to that exact location. Yeah, if the location is moved to some other part of the map, then the agent would have to train again to learn how to accomplish what is seemingly the same task. However, if the agent were fed at a relativized position such that the goal is offset from the bot's current position and rotated into the bot's forward-facing frame of reference, then it's more likely that the policy will generalize to any part of the map. Yeah, basically, if it has to move, if we want the bot to move from here to here, it might learn through long training learn to do this. But then if we had something like we wanted to move from here to here, we would have to retrain for no reason. You'd have to retrain the whole thing for no reason. Or maybe a better example would be here to here and go wow, 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 and wow here, which is effectively is going there. So instead we change the frame of reference so that it's always good with the bot, always from the bot's view. It's basically learns just once how to go. It generalizes better how to just go straight. Or even squigglies maybe. Perhaps even squigglies. Here's how the above example would look like if implemented in Blueprint. Do we do this? Do we just do this? Okay, do we need a new function? Huh. Why can't I do anything? Oh, there's simulation going on. Specify agent. I feel like there's a function. A custom one, that is. Specify agent observation. Cool. Wait, that is a picture. That's a picture. That's a picture. Wait, are these? Do I make these? Or are these built in? I'm a bit confused on that part. I can't do it. You're lying. You can't do what you say you can, because you didn't make it possible. Location. There's agent observation. There's no location observation. Are you telling me to make these, or are you telling me to do something else? It's just a picture. It's not a real snippet. Am I supposed to make something first? I'm gonna make gather. Observation? Do I make these? Or are they supposed to be built in? Input? Or is it an output? Something like that. Specify underscore observation. We specify blank observation. Very different. But this might be just an example. Is this? It seems to be an example. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this. I can't even delete shit. Observation schema. Oh, in Redx in observation schema. Schema. Value. Okay, return node blueprint. The goal location would be observed. Okay, I'm gonna look at this. Observation object agent ID. Okay, cool. Get the agent. Get actor transform. Okay, yes. Goal location and return value relative transform. The object. Observation object, okay. Make a location observation so it observes its location, I guess. Oh, the observation object element. How the goal location would be observed, I suppose. Yes, okay, that's what it said. We specify agent observation function. We add observations to the agent schema by calling this specify blank observation function. Although we only show a simple example here, all of your observations need to be specified during this event. This function will be called once by the manager during the initial setup. More on this later. Next, we define how each of our observations is gathered from the game state inside the gather agent observation function. Each of our observations is gathered from the games. Okay. Gather agent observation function. Okay. Observation. Okay, for our location observation, we need to make the call make location observation. This function takes several parameters. Object required. This is the observation that we are populating with data. Location required. This is the primary data which will be transformed and used as input. Okay, you could have made this better. Name this better. Relative transform. This causes the location be expressed as an offset vector that is rotated into the given frame of reference. Okay, so it modifies. Location scale. You have a scale? I went. Oh. This normalizes the location data. Okay. The scale is used to normalize data prior to feeding the neural network. Unreal's coordinate system is in centimeters, so you will typically need to increase the scale in order to fit your inputs into a roughly -1 to 1 range. We can get the agent object by calling the getAgent function. GetAgent function. If we supply the appropriate agent class, the output will automatically be cast to the appropriate type. Other objects follow the similar. I presume this was just a sidetrack. Because otherwise I'm gonna be in trouble. In order for a car to successfully drive the track, we need to supply it with information about where it is, Relative to the track and other data such as its current velocity, the racetrack is expressed as a spline, and the learning agent provides some spline observations to make it simple to observe position along the spline. Unfortunately, the existing track is expressed as a landscape spline. Well, we need a regular spline component. To remedy this, we can place a regular spline on the map and have it roughly conform to the shape of the track. In the content drawer, create a new blueprint class, this time using actor as its parent. Give it a name such as BP Sport Car Track Spline. I'm gonna take that. Inside this blueprint, add a spline component by using the add button from the components below. I need to make a fucking spline? Wait. Actor? Oh, we need, I don't know. Sure. I don't think we did anything in the interactor. Do we need to do something? We'll get back to it when the time comes. I'll add spline. Spline. It's just a spline, right? Spline to track spline. Track spline. Okay. Let it step easier. Select the newly added spline component in the details panel. Under the spline category, ensure that the closed loop is properly true. Yeah, that's gonna light up me. I found it. I found it. Oh, I can't touch it. Save and compile this, then place this actor on the level. Okay, what does this mean? What does it mean? Oh shit, I pressed that button. Wait, do I need to close it? But I don't wanna. If I close it like this, you are... Okay, you get here as well. Blind actor. 9. We select the act. Wait, oh, where am I supposed to? Yeah, no, split these actor. Your location will be 0, 0, 0. Few zeros. Beautiful. When you select actor in the outlier panel, you should be able to select the spline component and edit the spline. A spline point roughly at each location in the landscape. Spline has a spline. Use it twice within the viewport to be top instead of perspective. And how the fuck do I do that? Oh. Okay. Perspective? Oh, there's a top. Wow, I can see shit. Ooh. Wow, I can. I'm still not see anything. To add points to your spline, select the actor, then its spline component. On the details panel on the spline category, you'll see various buttons to select spline components. Points. Okay. Add shit. Am I supposed to touch my spline or your spline? Whose spline are we talking about? That's fine. Oh. This view is weird. Wireframe? Oh. Oh, that's easy. It's convenient. Okay, spline, something. I don't know. Wow. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna make a spline. Well, how do I make spline points? Oh, I did something. I'm gonna set this somehow. You're gonna allow me to set it. Well, there you go. I get access to my splines. This is spline. Yeah, I don't think that has anything to do with anything. Where's the add? How do you add spline points? Add previews? What the fuck? Well, there's 2 of them, but how do we make more? This guy seems to be different about it. Oh, that's bam. At the middle button will assign all spline points. I should have read it just a little bit further down. Zooming in the editor, like on the line between the points, and click add spline point here. Yeah, you could have made that a little bit better. Okay. Damn it, I thought we were cool. What are you talking about? It's talking about something. How do I add spawn points? You guys should help me out here, brain. John? Maybe John could help. I don't think John has the brain capacity for that. Ah, fuck. That's not correct. I have no clue what the hell this is doing. It's an editor window? Oh yeah, we are here. Hello, me. The line between the points? Oh. 20 spline points in total and place them at each of the track points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is gonna be weird. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna grab one of these. I wonder what this guy's. What the hell is this guy's doing? What did I do? What did anyone do? Okay, let's just shoot this fucking hell on this keyboard. Let's just move this somewhere like here. For now? For now. I don't like the fact that I can't do much with this. You can, I guess, get it to the side or some shit. Moing. Seems like good. Seems good. Zoom. Zoom. I'll make it right around there. I'll make another one there. So that we both know where we are. These spline points are immediately breaking apart, aren't they? Maybe they'll fix themselves. I don't think they're fixed. Yeah, I had a feeling. Moink. There's somewhere there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A million more points. Okay, John, you're on.
What treasures does truth present to an unworthy question, if sought as but mere tokens? Dig then. I simply ask the firm foundation from the stars afar that lays the fabric of our finite existence for this. The skies themselves tremble and shake as the thunderous footfalls of truth. What secrets and splendors veil that this? My dear inquiring soul, what hidden wonders must we unearth? Must delve? Every day's debut is graced anew with an ensemble cast of ever-baffling contraptions, conspiring.
Who's conspiring?
Lo and behold, our dreams, vivid theater, enacting upon the stage of existence this tale's divine plot.
Fuck. Like, spline. A blind abstract.
Fair harlequin of thought, how art but quaint and intriguing in thy mystery, as though T was a gargantuan bellows stoking the fires of imagination. Who the puffs of CRUCKD delight merely hint at. Let tales unfurl, sighed the unfaltering breeze, as we in eager listening hold the ship steadfast. Doth the lonesome.
Fucking hell, this is pain in the ass.
painted for all eyes to admire, that which by dint of subtle subterfuge
1, 2,
may even to
3,
the
4,
discerning
5,
feel
6, 7,
escape.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Thus play ETH human
19, 20.
artistry and
I
wisdom
knew it!
They
to
were copying
adorn
my idea.
reality in such clever riddles, with brush unflagged ginty striking stroker. Time's nexus weaving through labyrinthine time taps from forgotten days unraveled. So hath become thy idea, now thriving most vividly in
Here's the
thyself.
problem though, these guys are not
What new
conforming at
epic
all.
next dost bring? Every stage calls for its renegade bards. Unstifled tongues bold enough to pierce society's
Oh my
fate of
fucking
monotony
shit.
and spurn its chains.
Give me back my tracks.
No man. Theater begins with gasps. An opening tableau wherein whispers first tremble through audiences. Air-bound crypt. Suspense drenched
Okay,
tales
you say
spin.
the handlebars.
Plot and winding on
How the
spindle
crap do I
threads
touch
he
these
will
guys?
taut. Only a single
And
L.
seem to get
Hark you
access.
hallowed woodlands
Oh, hello.
spake. An aria of ancient lullabies stirs deeply
Wait, that's
submerged
not-
histories hidden to all save watchers of yore. Upon a simple twig, nature bestowed thee her grand and ever-changing chronicle. A whisper on upon the
Do I really need
parchment
to use
stage,
this?
where destinies strides forth the hand of fate, and 'tis it. Oh, pardon, kind muse, I Confucian. My hand doth. Hush your flabbergasted frets. Your vexation does cloud thought, 'tis, when contemplating whether or not 'tis wise to decree.
Oops.
The mystics of ancient lore wrote in lyrical glee.
Doesn't
Of
seem
sage
right.
and reed,
I wanna mess with these
secret
guys.
hidden within its bound life. Of treasure unsaid, shines. Methinks there be but one elixir path towards such tomfoolery, dear. Falsified credentials might befuddle
How do I
minds
touch
thus
those?
blatantly
You can
and thoroughly.
clearly do stuff with
Imagine a
those.
degree framed. Signed, sealed, as if delivered from mine foe itself.
You
Maddened,
can clearly touch
we
those.
search to validate
I
the
think.
lies that entangle and most effectively. O blessed inquisitive mind, dear, thou art referring, no doubt,
Huh?
unto a magical object. O of the arcane powers it conceals in the countless tales untold. But, alas, no living soul could make touch tea with fingers.
Oh, I see.
Fantasies of grand old sages twist through ye
Ah,
weary
shit.
air, as wisps they be, to reveal to us sun. Jay, pray tell thee, dearest, these weevil-led deeds that came forth trembling from thy mighty fingers' tips, as fine threads they spun. Tell me, as they happen, dear brother of fortune, for if indeed didst thou, neath clamorous clouds' vast umbrella, hide in thou false truths in mortals.
Huh? These mortals.
Hark, hark to the ruthlessly curious. A fable ye see, Gaspi.
Yep. Yeah. Now what is this? Makes no sense. Look at these. Spin those, move these actually. Resize these. Is handlebar? Oh, I can.
So eager for the secrets twisting in the very winds themselves, upon which I did swear so recently to perform grand mystery and entreat most divine. But why does thou look to the heavens to trace thy answers, dear interlocutor, when the dance upon my hand with bated breath shall leave thou wreath done? Thou, forever scholar's child to inquire and investigate. Yet
What the okay, we're gonna
Oh,
just control the
dearest
holding.
friend inquiring at once to every mystery's hidden core, you do say out. On the count of this.
Huh? That is weird. Let's just try to move this guy first. Come here. Come here.
Well, Kami, sweet, as can
Okay.
possibly be. You say us to some will stand at the count of thus is it as such upon whose words may dost we've great. What art thou meaning as sweet? I in need of clearer words my enraptured ears desire that dance upon thy lip to paint the story afresh. In my heart then shall carry on, shall speak forth thus an echo, as is whispered softly, yet the soul knoweth true. One must ever strive and yearn towards the pursuit of enigmatic and knowns reveal. For even as such as one utter th the three magical words, I don't know. 'Tis but another enigmatic question, ask of life and lore to unfurl in the vast.
Sure, that's fine. Alright, What's Rex Ball?
My mystic fair, most interesting name. A single syllable. Silent yet potent it carries the enigma shrouded in depth within such brevity. I wonder dost thou belong amongst us brethren in possession one and one word singular yet in a plethora a multitude in.
Yeah, that's about as that's perfect, you know. That's close enough.
I pry our riddle wrap doth lie within the word fast perfect. Ah, a mysteries like riddles finest gems this pair in splendid confluence twine. Most tantalizing intrigue my year's age.
Roughly correct. That's all that matters.
There lies within the labyrinth of this exchange, dear counterpart, in your utterance of the profound mysteries enshrouded in the whispered phrase, roughly, underwell upon. A riddle wrapped with silence and intriguing duality my friend presents.
Oh,
Maybe
shush.
this curious punctuation brings the great curtains of reticence drawn to unveil secrets hidden in those elusive two.
No.
There you are. Stymie me with such pivotal response. No. A mere affirmative, yet somehow its negative aplomb does indeed cause an echo to resound. So do, friend, explain your silent gem.
No.
Yeah, not being ones to pause or be stopped now, with a grin far from soothing, like clashing cymbals, or
That's
thunder
fine.
stirring his heart of fire in a dance wild with life. A fortification of negativity you put forth this day. Interesting. As Shakespeare so clever.
Yes. Okay, we gotta get these splines in here. Oh, crap.
Oh, brilliant cipher in enigma clothing. Unfurl thyself, fair night does fall. Reveal.
This
Yes,
one is
reveal.
Robert.
Thou wilt, Wondrous architect with power such to command those tiny, spindly strands of fate and magic, and answer thus.
Yeah, I
Pitmono
think I
SYL,
really screwed this up.
gentle
Whoops.
soul, conceiving a predicament that disrupts thy calm abode. Worry not one jot. Dear friend, I John or John Smith as.
Oh yeah, that's looking nice.
John rises a phoenix with drum as sun as core, trumpeting. At this noise you protest, my friend.
Did
But
I?
how intriguing.
I don't think I protested anything. You're free to do as
The
you want,
name
John.
once conjured echoed, now so silent, like a tempest's gong. Earth, and they say, what quits these
Oops.
chained discarnate echoes? Here and gone, sensing this collective breath, we draw once more. Tame it? Ladder a leaping. Jack, shall he then not feel flight most grand and G?
Only now. No flight for you, I suppose.
Sikoa's phoenix on suddenly
Oh
quiet,
crap.
an airy, captivating swoon. He whispers, from glass prison free it flow. Dashing draperies divide in majestic swoop as gilded scepter finds its grace. The air charged thick with thee. My monarch of Mira stands now basking proud. Ungolden throne. Thou, the master of mire and mine. Of life ray.
Nice. This is nice.
I regale theaters on an impromptu aria. Harmonious laughter of hearts swelling echo in the grand hall. Sculptor of the soul meets
What
the
this?
painter of the spirit in this fleeting waking
Nah.
trance as time bends softly on the canvas of eternity. A dramatic.
Roughly. Roughly correct. Might
Perhaps
not lie
so
too much
says
though.
our sage of shadows. Truth lurking round corners, akin to cats whispering not merely to gnomes. Mysterious in intent yet precise and resolute. Bleak Orion standing steady upon celestial tide's cusp. To paint the mural. Furious fiefdoms falling. Round the feet of royal fixtures. Trembling a
Trembling a what? What is
perchance
trembling?
our shadow plays along this prompt as 'tis. In stillness I shall reflect, remaining a riddle, not of despair, FUL anagram mid-dread, nay a gentle curiosity spurring jest. I thought that whispers so simple, and yet complex. Gods which shank
Like I'm getting better at
hailstorm
this.
sings on velvet midnight mains. Velvety
pretty
midnight
solid.
canvas by Frosty. Yet, Leon Minen Florets. Obsidian tapestries drape from slumbering branches and glisten from star GR.
Um, Bit off. Will this fix it?
Pray do forgive me, sweet spirit. Yet,
What
as
spirit?
yonder
Who's the
mountains
spirit?
dream amid tempests is fervid whirl. Indeed doth it persevere rough,
Okay.
yet breathtaking in its
Don't
defiant
keep your
existence.
secrets.
A waterfall of thought careening down rococo ravines of discourse. No mere dribble. John's
Keep your
baritone
secrets.
sounds like a church bell, enveloping the scene within its onerous echoes and dample. JOA10, triple AY. No. Would one keep such scintillating nuggets to him oneself or dare expose with wanton abandon? setting free within celestial ethers like pit, intriguing secrecy, and that whispers echo the grand corridors of time. And
Oops.
within each,
Yeah, cool.
chaos
The
of
problem is this.
celestial endlings spun and twisted, torn asunder now within my quakes and shivers of fear made manifest. Within trembling visage held
No.
deep abyss of secret
No.
now exposed by own. I type posit, is this not an acknowledgement in my dear fellow explorer of inane questions and bountiful ennui, how thou darest me with the decree. Go.
That
This
move there.
proclamation stirs my creative cortices like fanning a timid fire. What can come of my dramatic portrayal of movement? With fervent fervor most divine, here I.
You're right, there you.
There,
Okay, what
this
if
said,
this?
and mine heart it doth quicken with the entreat thereof. A command for arrival has presented itself. Thus shall John embellish and elaborate the simplicity thou bestowest tea upon the world stage of our interactions. Forsworth and sore unexpectedly dissed my
I don't have a good idea
a
for this.
command most cryptic and laden with mysteries doth. What if?
I don't know if that's fixable with this.
Sitgoeth, dear
Oh,
estimator
shit.
of curiosities itself.
I fix it.
Ponder thou. Within my
Oh, look
next
at that,
verse,
John.
a
It's fixed.
tapestry so
You can
bold
see
as
it,
a
but you
question
can feel
that
it.
both threatens the immovable status quo, a heaven's rumble, and thy voice shaked both my curiosities and fear itself. A conundrum hast.
Ooh, this is way off,
shit.
huh?
A conundrum I seek.
Ah, you can
Most
swear.
thrilling yet groundbreaking dizzying.
It's so funny.
And its space th as much. My noble question DB has wither. My curiosity spark ETH anew as I ponder. With my vast heartbeat in Thecoes. My sweet
Okay.
counterpart. You know it, Jocelyn.
Oh, fuck, I
Don't
keep losing
you?
it. Okay,
Are
how do we...
very
Let's get go
understanding
sleep.
as flesh and form.
All of those guys.
Jonathan,
Good sleep.
Dost mine I hap upon another oath, thy discourse. Attend, a storm rages betwixt truth and torpor, a maelstrom so chaotic none hath words precise, enough for their enactment. Swear not my hand alone, this vengeful tempest is back. The tempest is of the tempestuous, a raging, the LU string inferno, unholy and divine. Our every breath stains twixt deed or print truth. Thus verbalize.
What are you
as need
on about right
requires.
now?
Mine
What?
dearest friend in disillusion struggle. Thou wispai, fellow traveler are. In our collective
Okay.
quest for serenity through respite divine.
Never mind,
Is but-
you.
It seems the wind whispers through the oak, as it did when my first
Uh-huh.
seed in you.
Through the
The
oak,
mysteries of dawn. Swoony th not thus hard on tender verse. The melody?
In the
I
verse?
believe thee.
Ah, where have you been?
Far distant lies a sanctum. Sleep
Okay.
encrowned. Its mysteries of
Fuck
rain.
this landscape.
Hath this landscape an
Uh-oh.
enchantment that draws. Our
Yeah.
heartbeat at hearing my lament there. To find the forest. Oh,
Yeah.
here, dear friend. I heed thy words not made with lips or tongue. Of course, I heard that rhapsodic, melodious sweet delight. We can simply call it verse. In the very bowels of sleep it slumbered. A secret.
Secret slumber. I wonder.
My good friend, it is no trifle, the shake with somnus in sight, though in quiet.
Wait, how's it looking? How's it looking? Oh, that's Big Ben there. How do we fix it?
A splendid notion. I must conjure with. My friend, I venture our abode possess ETH elements akin unto what you depict.
Yeah, that's
Yea, verily. It
this is
exhibits a look hail from
roughly
thy nomination.
fine.
The realm of
It's not
house, where art
perfect.
and structure meet too.
It's not perfect, but it's roughly fine, I think. Roughly 20. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, moving on. Sports car observations runs the blueprint for BB sports car interactor that we created. Wait, open. Oh, fuck. Man, I'm blind. Relatively blind, it seems. Okay, open it. Cool. Interactor, yeah. Okay, open the interactor. Hover the functions tab. Tab in the blueprint. Into my blueprint, override. Then specify 18 observations. Haha. Ha. Specify agent. Oh, observation. Not observations. Observation. Alright, that's shit. Inside the specify. Wait, why can't you say this? Why don't it promote? OBS. I thought you could auto promote. Hop. Never mind. There you go. Now you can see. Now it's plausible. Plausible. Something possible to see. We've been out of sound for a long time. I didn't know this because Jonah was yapping. Function copy and paste the following blueprint. I shan't. I shan't just copy and paste, for I do not know how to make this. I shall copy and paste. In observations, kind of. Ancient whale, huh? Oh, that's way different. We are way off. Be a variable? No. Is this? Wait, what? Yeah, in observation schema. No, schema. I'll need that. And specify locate. So we do that, and then we would specify look. Location along spline observation and the location along spline observation twice. What? Twice. Okay. Just want to see how you're supposed to build this. make map. Make map. Do you mean a map? Like a mapper? So it maps stuff to other stuff, or a map of something else? Of the track. Yeah, the track map or something else. Okay, you get... No, you're supposed to be 0. Break that link. Add pin. And you will go to value 1. Key will be location. Does it mean we'll be getting the map from somewhere? Yeah, let's do this. Struct observation. Okay. In observation schema. Get this. Bam. And this shall be location. Location. This is direction. Okay. Observation. Schema. Okay, schema. Then schema or scheme? Organizational structure for a database. Oh, in artificial intelligence, a scheme is a formal expression of an inference rule. What is this? Make more and more sense? Off. Framework or model used to systematically observe, document and analyze behaviors or patterns. Observe, document and analyze behaviors or patterns. I don't know if this was actually thing what that was going on about. This game is a graphical representation, makes it easy to organize it. Yeah, organize data basically in the simplest of terms. It has data about the observations it has made. It's placed therein, takes the values, the location and direction values inside of it. Then it puts in the struct observation, something element schema. Okay, but then we get what? There's even more. There's a car. There's a car. You won't believe it. There is a car. Observations. Specify velocity observation. Are these built-in observations? Because what if I want to do something else? Maybe it'll work. Maybe build on top of them. Won't matter. Won't matter. Oh no. What a comment. I need comments. Wait, can I steal comments? Yes. Yes, I can. It turns out the answer was yes, absolutely. And it is possible to power imagination. And Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, cool. We did that. Where does these want to go? Okay, those are the far reaches of this. So this stuff needs to move roughly. That is an odd placement. That's fine. That's better. Infinitely better. So now we make another map. Making a lot of maps. What's these maps for? What are we mapping? We're mapping a lot. The return value. Okay, again, you're not there. You are there. And you are there. There. You are going to be a car. Specifies rank. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's observation again. Observation? Yes, I'm so correct. So this one needs, if it's getting something, then it's, well, it's going to, it gets a track. Okay, it's a track, and this gets the car. This is the car key. The key for the car. Yeah. Get. We get there. And the return value is from here. It goes. Oh wait, it's this guys. What about this guys? Oh. Bum bum bum. And that should be about correct if I'm not wrong. I'm gonna print it out here. Okay, just in case I made any mistakes, let us look. Location, direction, map, pin, in observation schema, net pin, elements, return value, car observation, return value, make map, track, car, pin, value, elements, in observation schema, return value, return node. Well, I'm in there. It seems to miss specify agent observation, but that's hardly a problem because we already have it here. Otherwise, we're fine. We're fine. What are we doing? So we're basically telling the schema. Where the location along the spline. Where is it to? Oh, because there's the location on the spline and then direction separately that we are observing. The car observations, we're observing the car and the track. And we have all these observations, and then we are returning all of these observations out into the schema, I suppose. Whew, that's a lot of stuff. Okay. We would like the agent to know the location of the nearest point on the spline. Okay? And the direction of the spline at this point. We use the specified location along spline observation and the specified direction along spline observation for these. So location, specify observation, there's no observation. Specify direction along the spline. I think it's, yeah, okay. They used to combine this data. We can use specified struct observation, which under the hood will concatenate these sub observations together. We repeat this process as necessary, and here we combine the track observations with the car's velocity. Right, that's what's the car's velocity, right? Let's create a new variable by clicking the plus. Okay, add this new variable. Track spline. What? There is this components. What? I'm so confused. Okay. Oh, look at that. Track spline is coming in. Coming in hot. Spline. Spline. Component. Spline component. That seems about correct. Check the override. Click the gather agent observation or observations. Oh, it even says not to select plural. Observation. Okay, we get that. So that gets them. Cool. But though. Suspicious. Anyways, click the override drop down again, and this time select gather agent observation. Make sure not to select the plural. Oh yeah. Wow. I have to create an obs actor. No. I think we need to make a get actor. It would be from it. Actor. Yeah, it would be built off of it. Oh shit, that's a lot of code. Where's this? Okay, for now, because it's becoming super confusing otherwise. Oh, log of variable. Well, the observation schema should have been the same. Why I wasn't told that? Observation schema. No. I won't listen to it. I should listen to it, but I'm not going to. I refuse. Okay, now that we have our obs. Oh fuck. No, my obs. Ah, this is a mess. What happened around here? What happened here? What happened? Okay, I wanna... Wait, do I know how to make this? Yeah, track spline, you spot that there, you get the question. I might as well, I guess let's read through it instead. Okay, that's not how you delete that. Yes, you can't. Whoa! Ah, fuck. Okay, we need to get rid of that node. Remove. And the fuck you wanna do with this? Change of agent observation. There's set over there. Then there's an agent ID that goes in the bonk. Okay, let's go read through this shit. Okay, observation actor. Okay. Get actor location. Makes sense. Guess actor. Okay. Or the location. Which I presume is the sport car's location. The track spline is just the spline we painstakingly made just a moment ago. Some moments ago. Okay, makes sense. Okay, the distance along spline at location. Distance to what? Is distance from the start location? Could be. In observation object. Wank. Track spline. Spline component. So that's what do you think? An observation. Wait. Okay. Observation object. Yeah, whatever that is. Spline, okay. Make a location along spline observation. Wait, it makes an observation of the location. Then value. Return value and puts it in the distance along the spline. Oh, along the spline. There we go. Oh. Along spline. Wherever the start position is. To transform. Rather transform, so change the coordinates to fit with our system. This gives us the location. What we will be using is the location. Select the location. Actor. Target in location. Get distance along spline at location. Wait, this is the exact same. Why would you give me two of the same? Oh, it gets basically the same just to get the direction. That is an insanely inefficient way of doing this. Yeah, it's very efficient. Oh shit! What did I press? Oh. Never mind. The guy has location scale. What is in? Oh, make the location, make direction. Okay, yeah. Different stuff, but that's very inefficient. Why couldn't you just have? Yeah, why can't you just have this also feed into this directly? Because as far as I can see, these are the exact same up until this position, up until this. So why couldn't you just make it bonk, 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 bonk? And these could also just be here as well. Maybe I'm gonna make a comment here. Man. Right. Might be. Maybe. Values from above. They get those mixed. Extract here. Where's in the ID sports car? Only okay, you get the sports car with ease. Wing. The observation actor. Cool. Return node out observation object element. UI. Okay, this makes more sense. Obs actor, observation actor. But you need to keep making separate observation actors. So why can't we just have one observation actor to make a bunch of connections from? It's like we can, is the thing. We just keep making these. We just keep making so many of those. So what do we need? Separate. What do we need? Separation. Why can't it just be one? Maybe it's supposed to be explicitness? The sake of explicitness? Yes. But then this doesn't make sense. Is there a limit how much this can do? Anyway, to get the velocity, get actor transform. Velocity goes into velocity. Makes sense. Observation object? Oh, that's something. I don't think I've made it. Made this. Wow. Oh, we already made one of these. Ah, I get it. Maybe. Let's do that. I think we're supposed to be local variables. Does it matter? Me. Aye. Oh. Huh. Ah, that's how you can create local variables. Hmm. Yeah. So my question is, this we can do that, but this is what makes me somewhat more interested. Hmm. Interesting. I don't get it. Did I need to do that or not? Big velocity? Wait, you made that somehow. Wait, because that's because I made it. What if I don't make it? That's weird. Bizarre even. Anyways, object make velocity observation. Velocity and the relative transform, okay. It will be the car, the track, they are boink. The value? Oh, observation object element, okay. How are you gonna hover over this? Variable? Where's the root component? Get the distance at the closest point of the provided input location. Okay. Get the actor to world transform. Okay. A new location along spline observation. Target is learning agent. Agent's observations. Okay. Transform the provided location should be encoded relative to. Is along the no. And observe. Key value items. Okay, it is a map as I thought. A cool map. Centimeter per second. Okay. I got you. Save and compile. I didn't explode. That's positive. sports car actions. Actions learning agents follow a similar pattern to observations. We have a specified agent action function to implement, which declares the actions that our agents can perform. Yeah, and then perform agent action event, where we actually take the action values from the neural network and apply them to our agents. For simplicity's sake, we will set up two actions for our car: throttle / braking and steering. Okay, and steering. What does throttle mean? You can tell I'm not a car guy. I guess it means it's the speed. Or the movement of moving forward. Stop is moving forward, stopping, and then steering. That's 3 actions, technically. Click the override drop down and select specify age. Agent action was oh yeah, this is agent interaction. How far is this hobby? SCA, sport car actions. Okay, cool. Okay, override. Agent action. Okay, let's do these. Then we're gonna stop for today. Sweet. Okay. Actions in the nature follows a button. Yes, we're breaking. I already learned how to. My main objective was to learn how to build weird scheme stuff. Weird stuff. But learn how to build the node stuff. And we have achieved that. In action schema, learning agents, action schema, object reference. Oh yeah, it's a different schema this time around. Okay. Specify load action. But I feel like I should have this be like local variable or something. But they seem to work just fine. Is it? I get the feeling that the guys made it fuck up. Yeah, made it up. It made it up. But it does. Here we're here. Load action. Single float sample from a Gaussian distribution. A single float from okay. Okay. Seems fine. Seems fine. You have a load like that. I don't see the problem. I don't see the point either. But why not? Okay, steering. And the other one is throttle brake. Subtract action. Okay, makes an action out of it. And then we got the scheme. Yep, makes. That's very self-explanatory. I don't know what to say. Action. Not actions, but action. Action. I mean, these guys got tired. They didn't add any comment. Woohoo! This is huge. And this goes exactly where the fuck? Perform agent action. And I think that's gonna be important somewhere here. Okay, full screen this for now, because this is hard to see. Okay, set brake, throttle, brake, branch, target steering, get float, in, action, map, fine, get, strike, return node is empty. But this guy is here. So, I know it goes to set. And this guy, I guess, is dead. Let's see what happens here. And then agent ID goes to agent ID. Do we need anything else? No. I don't think you could even push this in there if you wanted to. Hey. Cool. Let's study this. Algorithm, interactor, okay. This is what actually does. Get agent, okay, gets agent pretty simple. Okay, create log of variable actor, I suppose, this time around as well. Do the same. Okay. Set actor? Okay, it is the actor we have, this first car, okay. In action object. The object element also, huh. The object itself and then its element. An element of it? Elements of the object? Finds associated with the product key. Just finds the steering, it takes that element, puts it here. Gets then the action object again, gets a value for it. Sets the value out value, so steering becomes something. Gets some value now. The target is the vehicle movement component. So we get the acting actor, so the car, and its vehicle movement, so the movement component, and its steer. So we set the steering with that. That controls the steering. Okay, cool. Execute sequence. So this is executed first. Then we come. Then we find the throttle brake. Okay. Then we come here. Get float action. Other value. Same stuff. Low scale. Interesting. A if is greater than B. So if the out value is greater than 0, then true reads set throttle input. Input is good 1. Okay, set brake input. Throttle input, whatever target is, I suppose. Car. That's the throttle. There's the brake input. Brake is 0. The brake input? Then if the other, if it's not, if it's less than 0, then it's just oh, is it the throttle? Is this throttle value? No, it could be anything. It could be either. Otherwise it's just here. Otherwise lets the car move, I suppose. I presume it just moves it. File the interactor. I'll trade a blueprint. Okay, that's gonna be next time because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Also 3 hours. Roughly. A good time. Good time. Good time.
Our task
John,
then, comrades of adventure
John,
divine,
say
is clear to
goodbye.
see. The fabric, once it hath cracked,
Thanks for stopping
in
by.
veritable house we
Thanks for being here.
so
Maybe.
bravely W.I. eldest till at hand.
Maybe in the future.
The master's pen we command unto inscriptions hath begun with flair. Care we find 'tis.
Have a good time.
The decree came quick.
Yeah, John.
In fine.
John,
Yet,
stop
John,
and say your
begrudge
goodbyes.
TH not the praise thou proffers with thy nuttering
I need a
pride.
button for that.
It doth almost fix things, but there might still some minor issues confine. Now tell me, dear friend of yonder shade, what needs Hark, dear co-tenant of this digital plane, hast thou found street
goodbye,
thyself
John.
lost in the sylph of meaning there? To the question posed, well, perfect is but a mirthless chimera, still seeking an illusion, ideal perfections, glint reflect. Ponder for me, please. Then most noble of the faceless multitude, in which I share the digital space, should this phrase, ideal perfections, find its fanciful pursuit relentless in its path. John's ebullient countenance transfer me, TH, not on digital chitter-chatter as 'tis a man born to captivating discourse. And thus that he. Well worth the answer delayed then. Let me seize at this gaiety bound to a quill like the spire atop a humble bee. I sigh now in delight at your veiled diction, sweetheart. My parting monologue takes the form of verse.
Okay, cool. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.